Everyone engages in self-destructive behavior at some point in their lives. Whether intentional or not, these behaviors can lead to personal and social consequences. However, moving past these self-destructive behaviors and living a happy life is completely possible with patience and a willingness to change. Identifying your self-destructive patterns. Define your tendencies. It is important to first identify the specific behaviors you engage in that you think are destructive to you before attempting to change them. Self-destructive behaviors can be anything that harms your physical self or your psyche. Compile a list of all of your self-defeating behaviors that you'd like to change. Understand why you engage in self-destructive behaviors. Some studies suggest that individuals may engage in self-injurious behaviors in order to distract themselves from painful thoughts or emotions. Identify consequences. Recognize why each behavior is harmful. For example, with alcohol, list negative outcomes like blackouts, hangovers, poor decisions, hurting loved ones, or legal issues. Note how these make you feel angry, sad, guilty, or ashamed. Track your behaviors. Keep a journal of when you engage in self-destructive actions. Identify the event, as well as your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, whether self-destructive or not. Simply keep a log of any self-destructive behaviors you engage in and notice what patterns of events, thoughts, and feelings emerge. Modifying your mentality. Accept responsibility. Sometimes we may blame others instead of looking at how we contribute to our self-destructive behaviors. It can be difficult dealing with underlying pain due to a difficult childhood or a difficult marriage where abuse patterns are prevalent, but we can take control of our own lives by addressing our emotional difficulties, helping ourselves, and overcoming our addictions. Identify unhelpful thinking patterns. Our thoughts tend to be linked to our feelings and behaviors. In other words, our perceptions of ourselves and the world dictate how we feel and act. These ideas are central to cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, a type of treatment that is commonly used to treat self-destructive behaviors. Alter your self-destructive thoughts. If we change our thoughts, our feelings and behaviors will follow. Once you have a complete list of the thoughts, you can begin to challenge these thoughts when they come up. Practice, practice, practice. Once you identify your unhelpful thinking and develop alternative thoughts, you need to practice changing these thoughts as they come up. Be aware of any negative emotion you have, anger, sadness, stress, and identify the thoughts you are having in the moment. Coping with triggers to self-destructive behaviors. Understand emotions and behaviors. Strong negative emotions like fear, anxiety, and anger can trigger self-destructive behaviors. Finding healthier ways to cope with these emotions is key to reducing these patterns. Reflect on triggers. Identify the thoughts, feelings, and situations that lead to self-destructive behaviors. Understanding your triggers helps you manage them better. List your coping skills. Know how to handle your triggers by replacing harmful behaviors with healthier coping strategies that support you. Tolerate emotions. Don't rush to escape difficult feelings. Practice distress tolerance by accepting emotions as natural and focusing on long-term healing rather than quick relief. Take care of your health. Stress can lead to unhealthy habits like poor eating, lack of exercise, and poor sleep. Prioritize your physical well-being. Build healthy relationships. Secure social connections are vital for recovery. Cultivate supportive relationships with family and friends to reduce self-destructive tendencies. Seek professional help. If you struggle with self-harm or related issues like depression, anxiety, trauma, or substance use, consider reaching out to a therapist or psychologist for support. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.